Hello, students. This is my new topic, natural vegetation wildlife for you. It belongs to class 8 geography. Okay, we are going to start. What do you mean by the natural resources, or we can say natural vegetation? Sorry, the plant kingdom as a whole, which grows naturally, is called the natural vegetation. It includes all the plants, either they grow naturally or are modified in labs. Okay, actually, it's not modified in labs, but somewhere it's modified by nature. Okay, the forest, there are so many natural vegetations, forest, grasslands, and desertic scrubs. Okay, forests are having different kinds: tropical rainforest, tropical deciduous forest, temperate evergreen forest, the temperate deciduous forest, Mediterranean coniferous forest. Grasslands, we are having two, tropical and temperate. Deserted scrubs, we are having again tropical desert and tundra region deserts. Okay. Now wildlife. All the animals, birds and other living organisms are included in wildlife. Okay. Natural vegetation and wildlife both, remember both, are found in the narrow zone where the lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere meet and interact is called biosphere. Okay, and the interaction between living organisms with their physical environment is called ecosystem. These are actually necessary terms for the chapter. Okay, we are coming to the natural vegetation. It's a vary with the regions. Okay, the classes we have already discussed: forest, grassland, scrubs and tundra. Okay, we can have the desert vegetation, the yellow color in the map. This one, this is deserted Sahara. Some places Thar. Okay, in Russia is also there, and in Australia desert is also there. Okay, we are having different kinds of desert. And grasslands are there. The coniferous is this one is a coniferous vegetation. Okay, and this is called the temperate evergreen forest. These are okay. These are in very little bit places. We are having different kinds of vegetation. We're coming to the forest. The first one, basically two type: evergreen and deciduous. Evergreen forest, they do not shade. The leaves are always green. They're basically divided into four parts. The number one is the tropical evergreen. Second one is temperate evergreen forest, Mediterranean forest, and fourth one is the coniferous forest. In deciduous, actually these shaded their leaves in dry seasons. Okay, basically divided in two: tropical deciduous forest and the temperate deciduous forest. Okay, we are coming to the first one, tropical evergreen, found hot and wet equatorial region with lots of rainfall. Amazon basin, Gyre basin in Malaysia are some of the examples. What type of actually vegetation we found? We are having mahogany, ebony, rubber, rosewood and cinchona in such areas. Temperate evergreen forest, warm temperate region. Okay, places in our in the world are Southeast USA, China, Australia, Japan and Brazil. Okay, the examples of such plantations are forest are, we are having so many kind or different kind of plantation out there. Oak, bamboos, eucalyptus, pine and camphors are the main crops out here. We're coming to the next one, Mediterranean forest, best of the temperate region. These are founded actually. The places are Portugal, Spain, Italy, France, Greece, Turkey, Yugoslavia, Australia and Algeria. Okay, these are some places where we are having Mediterranean forest. Fig, pine, fir, cedar, olive and the citrus fruits are the main crops, or we can say the main trees we can find out here. Coniferous, basically found in the northern hemisphere between 55 degree to 70 degree latitude. Okay, it's too much. just at the northern side, almost just 20 degrees before the northern pole. Okay, regions are South Canada, Alaska, Norway, Finland, Sweden, Poland, North Russia, and Siberia. The examples are pine, fir, cedar, and spruce. Okay, the next one is the tropical deciduous forest. These are the monsoon forest. Okay, found in Asian countries basically, also in Brazil, Central America, East Africa, and North Australia. Okay, some examples are sal, sisum, eucalyptus, teak, and bamboos. They are easily found over here. The temperate deciduous forest, these are actually takes place in the cool temperate conditions. The regions are Northwest Europe, जिसके England, Sweden, and Norway are the main countries in the Northwest Europe. South Korea, okay, along with the Northwest USA, China, Japan, and New Zealand. Okay, some of the examples of the trees are maple, birch, poplar, ash, and Douglas fir. Okay, we are coming to the next part of the grasslands. Basically, tropical grasslands are there, found in tropical zone, definitely. Okay, and tall grass and trees are find here. We can having, okay, some places are Sabana in the Africa, Alanos in the Venezuela, and Campos in Brazil. Okay, these are some grasslands out there. Temperate grasslands in the interior region of temperate belt. Small grass are found here, and some trees we can also find here. Examples are prairies in North America, pampas in South America, steppes in Eurasia, belts in South Africa, and downs in Australia. Okay, we are coming to the next one. Desert vegetation, scanty rainfall, the places where it is actually seen, the rainfall is always under the 50 centimeters. Examples are Sahara, Kalahari in Africa, Thar in India, Arabian desert is also there, Australian, which is the hot desert, Ladakh and Tibetan are some of the cold deserts. Vegetation we found here: babool, kiko, cactus, date palm, acacia, and thorny bushes and shrubs. Okay, the tundra vegetation found in freezy conditions of Alaska, Canada, Greenland, and North Eurasia. It is found in at the north of the Arctic Circle. Life of such vegetation is very limited actually. And the examples are wedge, willow, masses, and lichens. We are coming to the natural vegetation of India. We are having 5 types of vegetation in our country: the tropical evergreen, tropical deciduous, thorn, mountain, and tidal. Okay, this is at Jammu and Kashmir and Assam. It's a mountainous. Okay, we are having the tropical, this one, the black colored. Okay, in the northeastern. It's a tropical evergreen forest क्योंकि rainfall बहुत ज़्यादा होता है यहाँ पे. This is desert. This one is little bit is a desert kind of. Okay, and this one the green, this one it is the actually tropic deciduous forest. Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, little bit part of Maharashtra, you know. Okay, now we are having okay, यहाँ ये थोड़ा सा है. It's a okay, now it's a mountains. Okay, we are coming to the next tropical evergreen. The dense forest we are having here क्योंकि rainfall बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. Regions है Western Ghats, Odisha, Northeast states. Remember, this is best place for this one tropical evergreen. Okay, West Bengal, Andaman, Nicobar are also there. Okay, the main vegetation are mahogany, ebony, and rosewood. Tropical deciduous forest, we are having moderate rainfall in such areas. Regions are northern plains, parts of plateau region, and foothills of the Himalaya. Okay, the main vegetation we find here are bamboo, sandalwood, sal, teak and sesame. Okay, this is a Corbett National Park out here, and some different parks are given. We are coming to the thorn forest. Again, same जो हमने last section में पढ़ा है. Okay, scant rainfall is there, very small rainfall, under 50 centimeter or nearby 50 centimeter, the average rainfall. Okay, regions are Rajasthan, Gujarat, MP, okay, UP, Haryana and etc. Trees, acacia, babul, kikar, khajur, these are some of the trees found here. Mountain forests are actually situated at the high altitude, especially in case of India, it's a Himalaya region. Okay, trees, pine, deodar, spruce and beech are some of the examples of the vegetation found here. Tidal forest we are having found in low-lying delta. Remember, the reason delta of the Ganga, Mahanadi, Brahmaputra, Krishna, Godavari, है ना, these are the some Kaveri river, तो उनके deltas में actually these are found. The examples are Sundaris in Sundarban deltas. That's common actually because of the Sundari tree. The Sundarban delta name is given to this delta. Okay. Conservation, natural vegetation. Trees are renewable resources. Reckless cutting should be avoided. Otherwise, nothing will be left for the future generation. Okay, area of forest should be increased. Okay, the shifting agriculture should be banned. It harms lots of, we can say, the environment of our country. Okay, afforestation should be done. In this cutting of the trees, it should not be happened. Okay, we should educate the peoples. The awareness is very much necessary. Otherwise, the disasters will create. Okay, the wildlife essential part of ecosystem. Both are linked together, wildlife as well as the natural vegetation. Natural vegetation is the habitat of wildlife. Remember, this is the correlation actually among these two. Habitat provides space for growth and movements. आपको पता है, essential part है ecosystem का, एक दूसरे से link है दोनों, और ये habitat है wildlife के लिए, natural vegetation. Okay. The different regions of such wildlife in Africa. अफ्रीका में कौन कौन से वाइल्ड लाइफ मिलते हैं? एलिफेंट, राइनोसेरोस, हिपोपोटेमस, पाइथन्स, गोरिल्लास, एप्स, जेब्रास आर सम ऑफ. इन साउथ अमेरिका these are rhea, condor, hummingbird. Okay, anacondas are also there. Jaguars, llama are some specific qualities of. Okay, in North America we are having Arctic fox. Okay, musk ox, reindeer, sable, mink. In Europe we are having it's actually limited area. लिमिटेड चीज़ें मिलती हैं यहाँ पे. पोलर बेयर, वुल्फ, वाइल्ड बो है ना, वाइल्ड शीप, एंटीलोप्स मिलते हैं. एशिया में बहुत सारा है भाई. स्लॉथ्स है, मंकीज है, लिपार्ड, टाइगर, लॉयन, एलिफेंट्स है ना. ऑस्ट्रेलिया, ओके, मार्सुपियल्स इज देयर, कंगारू आर देयर, कोलास, प्लैटिपस, ओके, किंगफिशर्स, कुकोबेरा. दीज आर सम ऑफ द एग्जांपल्स इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया, द स्पेसिफिक animals out there. Antarctica, penguins, whales, snow petrel, seals and albatross. Okay, there are some different according to the regions. We are coming to the wildlife in India. Okay, tiger, elephants, one-horned rhinos are there. Okay, leopard is there, snow leopard is there, deer, antelope, monkey, crocodile, alligator. Okay, birds में peacock, parrot, kingfisher, and ducks, pigeons and cranes are one of so many wildlife in India. We are coming to the conservation of, okay, national parks we are having, lots of wild sanctuaries we are having. We should stop hunting and poaching of the animals. The awareness program should be launched by the government. Okay, we should set up the different biosphere reserves already set up by the government. Okay, follow agendas. There are so many है ना, so many setups. बहुत सारे हैं यहाँ पे. Manas sanctuary is there, Jim Corbett is there. There are so many names are given out here. Okay, we should follow the agenda 21 जो कि हमेशा एक environment को sustainable environment या development की बात करता है हमेशा से. Okay, this is for all. Thank you. We will meet again in the next